everyone, just had the most amazing day, soaking up the sun at Man Thai Beach in beautiful Da Nang City, Vietnam. The weather, absolutely perfect. Think clear skies and a gentle breeze. And let me tell you, the beach is pristine. I can't help but admire the stunning waves rolling in, each one a little dance of nature. It's like a postcard come to life. Right now, I'm just inhaling that fresh, salty air, feeling completely at peace. You've got to add this place to your bucket list. Trust me, you'll want to experience the magic for yourself. And hey, if you're loving these vibes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got loads more breathtaking videos coming your way, all designed to help you unwind and escape. Thank you so much for your support.